Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful and super delicious caramel sauce, which we use for cake decorating and is added to other pastries as a form of topping. Stick and stay with me as we make this delicious sauce here. These are the ingredients we are using for today's caramel sauce. So we have 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and we use just 3 tablespoons of butter. We have some powdered salt, so we'll be adding in some heavy cream and some vanilla. This is our whisk, our non-stick pan, our glass cup, which we use for pouring of the sauce after everything is done. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We are going to place the pan on our sauce of heat, add in the sugar, the water, whisk until it dissolves. When it slightly bubbles like this, we are going to add in the butter. Now we mix everything together until the butter also dissolves into the caramel sauce we are making. This is currently kind of a syrup, so we are making it dissolve, and then the caramel sauce process begins shortly. And we are going to leave it to boil over until the water in it drains a little bit, and then you can hardly see any bits of water in there. When you see that it's starting to slightly brown like this, you should know that in the next few minutes you are going to take it off the sauce of heat and then add in the heavy cream. We are going to add some salt and then we mix it in. You can equally add in some sugar or the salt depending on how you want it to be. So we are making salted caramel, so we'll use the salt instead. We mix it in. Then we'll add the vanilla. After mixing in the vanilla, we are going to pour our caramel sauce. So this is it. This is our caramel sauce. which we'll use for cake decoration some other time for you to see how it looks like. So I'm going to transfer it into this mason jar here. And that will be our storage container. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.